Okay, here we are at the track motor frame. There's not a great deal of work to do with the track drive system, so I'm already blessed with a couple of motors and some worm and gear drives inside. Most of the work will be on the slewing mechanism. The existing slewing ring gear is not functional. It was set up as a ratcheting type of thing that you had to manually manhandle it round to slew it round. So what I'm going to do now is to upgrade it into having a proper slew ring. But what I'll be doing now is to strip out the bottom, so take out this plate here and remove that plate as well. I think there's a second plate there to gain access to the motor drives and everything else. Okay, so removing the bottom plate complete. This would be the section inside. There's the two motors and the wiring associated with it. So it's only one pair of wires across each motor, so a total of 4. Okay, so by removing that little clip assembly, we can now lift this away from the frame, and then they can all part company. So that's the setup of the axle and drive sprocket arrangement. That's the base of the track frame, and that was a little plate that we had to take off at the beginning. We've got the axles is to set up, cut this gear away so that I've got a flat platform to work from, and start setting up the slew ring and slew bearing mechanism, and then incorporating this capsule with the slipper rings in to complete the circuits, and then this one can be boxed up and back together again.